Do you wish there was an easy way to translate the entire web page with just a few steps in the Samsung Internet browser? Look no further, I've got you covered. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to translate a whole web page on the Samsung Internet app. So without any further delay, let's get into it. Open the Internet browser app on your Samsung phone. Visit the web page you want to translate. Next, tap the three-dot menu icon, usually in the bottom right corner. Then tap Translate. At the top, you should see an option Translate. After that, choose the language you want to translate the web page into. You can add new languages by tapping Add Language. Once you have chosen the desired language, tap Translate to start the translation process. And there you have it. Translating a whole web page on the Samsung Internet browser is that easy. Now you can effortlessly browse and understand content in any language. If you enjoy this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and hit that subscribe button for more useful tips. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.